Hi, I'm Teacher Aaron. Welcome to my story time. Boys and girls, can you run fast? Can you ride your bike fast? I think you can. Today, our story is about animals. Animals that go fast. Boys and girls, look at the picture. What animal can you see? I can see a deer. D-E-E-R. The deer is running. The deer is running fast. Today, our story is animals that go fast. This animal is a horse. A horse can run fast. Boys and girls, look at the horse. How many legs does a horse have? That's right. A horse has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. How many legs do you have? Yes, you have 2 legs. This animal is a big cat. The cat can run very fast. Boys and girls, do you know the name of this cat? This cat is a cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. A cheetah is fast. This animal is a penguin. Penguins can swim fast. Boys and girls, do penguins like hot weather or cold weather? That's right. Penguins like cold weather. Do you like cold weather too? This animal is a shark. Sharks can swim fast too. Boys and girls, what's the name of this shark? Do you know? This is a great white shark. Be careful. Oh. This animal is a big bird. Big birds can fly very fast. Boys and girls, what does this bird eat? This bird likes to eat a mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. I do not like to eat a mouse. Ooh. This animal is a little bird. It can fly fast too. Boys and girls, do you know the name of this bird? This is a hummingbird. Hum, hum, hummingbird. I like hummingbirds. This animal is a deer. It can run fast. Boys and girls, look at the deer. What is on the deer's head? These are called horns. A deer has 2 horns. H-O-R-N-S. 1, 2 horns. This animal is a big turtle. It cannot run fast. Boys and girls, can you run faster than a turtle? I think so. The turtle is very slow. I'm Teacher Aaron. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.